All right, good morning to you all. We are going to start our lesson today, but first I want to review what did we do yesterday. So we need to think. Look who I brought. Got Albert Einstein. He's telling you to think again. So yesterday we learned about standard notation, and that's the normal way we write the numbers. So if you just take a look right here, that's how you write standard notation. Standard way to do things. Next, we learned about expanded notation. That's when you take the number and stretch it out and name what each value of the number is. Okay, so right here is expanded notation for the number 198. So today, our learning goal is to learn how to do 3-digit addition, 3 different models, different algorithms, and we will also do a parent favorite algorithm. So the first algorithm that we have, and the story is on page 401, looks like this. If you don't have it, that's fine, because this is a teaching page. Remember how about 4 or 5 of the pages are always teaching pages, so you don't need to worry when you get that big download. Half of them are teaching pages, and we're going to do them right now. You don't need to show me those. You need to show the ones that you do, the pages you do independently. So right here, this is the problem that we're doing today on page 401. So it says there are 476 rocks and 148 minerals in a museum display. What is the total number of rocks and minerals in the display? So if you can see my what I underlined the digits with their label, and then I underline also what am I supposed to do, the word. I always find the word that tells me what am I supposed to do. So on this one I have 476 underlined and 148 underlined, and then I have the total. So total means, whenever it says total, it's kind of obvious what you're going to do with the problem, mainly because what are we doing right now? Addition. So total means addition. Whenever you see the word total, that means you're going to add some numbers, and I underline the addends. So the addends to the problem are 476 and 148. So this first algorithm that you see on your page, and it will be, if you want to turn it over, and it's the first one where it says model it. So this is the model it, and you have 4 hundreds, 7 tens, 6 ones, 100, 4 tens, 8 ones. Come down, add it together. This is what we did yesterday. So the book always has you spell out the numbers, and it's always good practice to know how to spell your numbers. It's a good spelling test in math. Never knew there were words in math, but there are. And then the second algorithm right here is where you set the problem up. You put the 2 named digits, 476, 148. You put one on top of the other. You add your hundreds, you add your tens, you add your ones, and then you add those 3 numbers together. And so you're adding 3 digits together to get the final answer. All right, so now the next algorithm, the third one that I'm going to show is your parents' favorite. And this is how they learned to add. Okay, this algorithm here. So if you take a look at this algorithm right down here, they stack the problem up just like that. And they would add the 6 plus the 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So you put down the 4, carry the 1. You put down the 1s in the 1's place, carry the 1. Add that to the 10s, because 4 is 1s, 1 is 10. So now you have 1 plus 7 plus 4, which is 12. So you put down the 2, carry the 1. And then you add that to the hundreds column. So you have 1 plus 4 plus 1, 624. So the last part of this lesson that you're going to do is you're going to reflect. You need to think, out of all those algorithms that we covered today, which one do you like? So go ahead and you'll reflect that as the last problem. I will talk to you tomorrow, and I hope you have a great day. It looks like it's going to be a nice sunny day. I guess I'm going to go put on my face mask and go do a little bit of shopping. Take care.